They had it in the morning, honey. I will when I get a shower. I need to get me a nightgown first, Sha. I'm going out there today and 12 more. $12 more. This is what they had this morning. I missed it. Oversleep, honey. Oversleep. There ain't no karma. I'm getting no karma. I'm getting blessed. Cause I'm legit and legit. I'm getting blessed, honey. You getting karma. If my God be blessing me, honey, cock that teeth. The pool open? Oh, the pool's open. The pool is open? Wait a minute, the pool open. The pool's open. The pool open, right? Oh, I go out there, look at that pool. The pool is open, honey. Pool is open. The pool is open, honey. Open, honey. I got clean, honey. Girl, I tell you, gotta clean that. It's filthy. Oh my Lord, you gotta clean it. Oh my Lord, you gotta clean it. Sturdy. Oh, open the key. Oh, open the key. Oh, open the key. Yeah, clean that. I can't swim. Now, what I'm telling you is over here, honey. What 2 feet at? I need 2 feet. Oh, it's kind of steep. Oh, hell no, it's kind of steep. Is that deep? It said 3 feet. Girl, it said 3 feet, honey. 3.5 feet. That's deep. Oh, I can't get in there, honey. It's like girl, I need 3 feet. I need 2 feet, honey. This is deep. I need 2 feet. I'm scared to get in there. It's kind of. I don't do deep water, honey. I can't swim. I can't swim, honey. I can't swim for nothing, honey. 3 feet, 2 goddamn. Nah, I don't want to go past my neck. It's because it was raining. Because of the rain, they gotta fix it. They gotta clean it. No good. I come back when there's light girl on duty, honey. I come back when there's light girl on duty. Cause I need protection. I'm sorry. I come back when there's lifeguard on duty. I said what I said. Yeah, they gotta clean it, cause I ain't getting that dirty water, honey. They gotta clean that, honey. Yeah, they gotta clean that. Man, we ain't getting in there, honey, till they clean it. This might be. I think this right. This how you clean it right here. They can clean it right here. I think they gotta clean it. Yeah, I'm gonna ask him, honey. Yeah, I gotta clean it, cause I can't. Without being in, honey. can't swim, honey. Can't swim for nothing. I can't swim. And I ain't finna get in it either. I can't swim. They clean the pool. They clean it. They'll clean it when they get time. They do clean the clean thing right there. Oh, they clean it, honey. They clean it. When they get the thing right there. They clean it. It's right there. They clean it when they get time. It's right there. And the little stick is right there. I might have a cookout out here. If they had a cookout, girl, I'm be eat my behind off. If they have a cookout, I'm for real. You already gonna tell me twice. If there's some food out here, I'm coming out here and eat, honey. I need $12 though. $12, okay? I'm get my whatchamacallit?